Good evening, friends. This is Mr. Pogi again. Today we're going to show you how to make a dirty carbonara. It's an alternative to the plain style that people usually use, but this one's cost effective and quick. It's COVID-19 and it's the holidays. Sometimes you need to make something for the nearest and dearest to you. Your friends, your wife, your relative, your girlfriend, and it's really good. These are nearest and dearest to me. This is something I would make for them. It's something quick and simple. Alright, R2D2, move aside. First is the spaghetti. You can use linguini or fettuccini. This is my choice. We're going to use eggs, 2 per person. So if you use 1, you use 2 eggs. If you use 2, you have 4 eggs, or an extra one, the more the merrier. We're going to use bacon in this one. Usually they use an Italian curd meat. We're going to use minced garlic. Normally it's not used, but it gives it an extra level of taste and aroma. And cream cheese as a substitute to Parmesan cheese. Here we go. Here's my beautiful cat here. So next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to boil the water and heavily salt it. So here we got a pot. It's half filled with water. We're going to put it on high and we're going to heavily salt the water. Once it's boiled, we're going to put the spaghetti, but in the meantime, while we're waiting, we're going to whisk the eggs, the cream cheese, and pepper together. So now we're going to crack 6 eggs for 3 people. After we crack the eggs, we're going to whisk it, and then we're going to add pepper. All eggs are cracked. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to whisk the eggs with cream cheese. We're going to mash up the cream cheese a little bit so it's easier to whisk. Keep mashing it, keep mashing it. And then we're going to add some pepper to your liking. Alright guys, the next step is we're going to heat up the pan. So we're going to turn on the stove. I like to put it on low or medium. Just heat it up. So once the pan is heated up, we're going to put the bacon in there. It's going to sizzle. Now we're ready to cook the bacon. We're going to stir it. We're going to make sure it's cooked well. Make sure it's well cooked. You don't want to get a stomach ache. And then once we're done that, we're going to add the garlic later on. It's cooking nice and fine. By the way, let me know how your day is. Comment below. Alright guys, so in this pot, now that the water is boiling, we're going to put in the spaghetti in. gonna put it for about 3 servings. We're gonna let it sit and boil for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so now that the bacon is done cooking, or to your preference, we're just gonna add in the garlic here. A lot of garlic. I like it lots, and it's also good for your health. I'm gonna make sure it sizzles here. Make it light and brown. Alright, now our bacon is fully cooked and our pasta is fully cooked. We're going to turn off the stove and we're going to transfer quickly the pasta to the bacon. Alright, so once we put all the pasta into the bacon, we're going to mix it and then we're just going to let it cool. Keep mixing it. We're also going to add a little bit of the pasta's water. It's a little bit of a secret, not many people will do it. Keep stirring. And then we're just going to keep stirring until we let it cool. We're going to quickly add the cream cheese with egg to our preference. And we're going to keep stirring. And we're going to add some more. I like my carbonara's creamy. Alright guys, so now it's done mixing, it's ready to serve. It looks awesome. Hey guys, now it's ready to serve. Have a seat, relax, bon appetit. That tasted awesome. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.